I'm Jeff Bronson. I'm founder of Innovative Consulting Group out of Knoxville, Tennessee. I'm also the CEO of ICG and one of the top solution architects here. I want to talk a little bit today about our partnership and ownership in DataGuard 365 and the co-op that we have, and kind of give you guys a reason why we're doing it and why it all came together at the right time. ICG itself is an infrastructure consulting firm from an IT perspective, and also we are an ERP consulting house. So we work in manufacturing, we work in banking. We very much have a niche market in those areas. DataGuard 365 is an awesome service and product. What I love about it is that it's not about any one specific type of software or tool. The tools are ever evolving. That's important in security. We're always looking for the latest and the greatest, but really it's about the service and the algorithms around it. And that is key in the DataGuard 365 offering. I was visiting a customer and someone came running up to me screaming about, oh my gosh, my computer's been compromised. And first thing out of my mouth is, you're protected. Have you contacted our support desk? Of course, this was a managed service customer of ours as well. And by the time that young lady had gotten back, DataGuard had already alerted everyone, isolated the specific device and or devices, had already begun. And honestly, by the time she got back, it was remediated. And then the follow-up meeting was scheduled with us and their champions to discuss on how to improve in that area, from either end user training. Is it software related? Is it something she was doing? Is it something that didn't get patched on a PC? Doesn't really matter. There was a follow-up, which is one of the most important components. So my point is, she traveled maybe 500 total yards. And by the time she got back, all of this was done and the meeting was scheduled. No matter how big or how small the event, it's all treated the same. That is the service. And that's the endpoint service, which is well beyond what other software companies do. I mean, I've not seen anything in my career like it, and all of the customers running it absolutely love it. So I think you're looking at a product and services that is holistic, that it's ever evolving, that constantly new algorithms are being developed. And what's even more important to us is they're working with our IT and our engineering group on future ways to prevent, detect, and remediate. And I think that's just wildly important because we're a foundation up company. We believe the tech stack drives everything, and it really does, because everything sits on it. And that tech stack has to be encapsulated with security, and all of the business processes are encapsulated with a security component. So the entire business is always protected.